show you my vanity mirror. Oh, it's so exciting. Okay. Who's interested in making their own vanity mirror? And a really, really big one. I'm so excited. I priced them for a couple of years already, and they're too expensive for my budget. I didn't want to get the small one, which was still too expensive for my budget. It was between $300 and $400. And the wider one is between $4 and $5, and I wanted it double the size of that. I wanted a wide mirror, like a 70-inch mirror, and I wanted it to be in front of my vanity. I bought a vanity at Target, just a plain white desk. I saw it on CATHYS Life, and I'll put her link below. And she was moving and she showed all her things, and she showed this fabulous desk. It was a white desk with glass on top and one big drawer. There was no knobs on the drawer, but I had my handyman drill 2 holes and I put these big chunky crystal knobs on it. Now I've been searching and searching for a way to make a mirror. Now my first option was to buy these for $20, and these are terrific. I am going to get them and put them somewhere up here in my loft. These are connected by a wire, and you stick them. They stick right onto your mirror, and as long as you can disguise the wires, it looks professional. So I am going to get that to do something up here. But for my bedroom, I wanted to have the chrome ones. Okay, so I also wanted to make the mirror that I buy look even bigger by adding the chrome lights on the outside and the top, because the other ones you add right on the mirror. Okay, so these are the lights that I bought, and you can get them on Amazon. I will give you all the links, everything that you need. So I bought 4 of these. I bought 2 long ones and 2 short ones. So I figured out that they would go right on the side and they would make a nice corner. And I have everything down below, so you don't even have to think about it. I happened to run across a great size mirror for a great price. Now the lights cost me about $98 for all 4. Now with the lights, you have to connect them and then just put them on a dimmer. I had an electrician do that. You can do it yourself. I'll show you the video that I watched of this girl. She did the whole thing by herself, but she lost me after 5 minutes. So I am a little scared of electricity and fire, so I trust the electricians to do that. Okay, now, but I had to get 18 bulbs. Now, you could get bulbs at your inexpensive neighborhood store. I got LED bulbs, and I got the mirror. I happened to find the mirror, and that's what started this whole thing. The mirror I got at Target, and they still sell it. I'll put the link below. It is so cool. It's a stand-up mirror. It has a big stand in the back. The stand comes out, so it's a leaner. First, I laid out all the lights, and I took off the blue film. Had my electrician wire them for me, and we just set everything up, the mirror on the floor. We didn't use the stand, you just keep it closed, and he installed the mirror, and then he installed all the lights. Now I'll show you pictures of my mirror before and after and during, and I hope you enjoy.
now the fun part. We're putting up the bulbs, and they are dimmable LED round bulbs. And I think I got a pretty good price. $29.99 for 10 of them. I needed 18, so I have 2 extra. I just love this mirror. Thank you, Michael. You did a good job.
Wasn't that great? I just love it. I love it. But when I put those lights on, ooh, it's fabulous. Just fabulous. I love it. So maybe 180. You can get this mirror that is gigantic and so fabulous. My son walked in and he said, "Oh, it's like you're backstage." You know, it's like a few people could get dressed there. So I just wanted it to be big. It enhanced the room, makes the room look a little bigger. Then I went to the hardware store and I just bought a desktop dimmer. And that you just plug in. The lights were all connected, and then the plug goes into the dimmer, which gets plugged into your outlet. And then you just have to use the dimmer. I had a great handyman slash electrician slash stereo sound guy by trade. After he did some work for me, he had texted me and said, "Are you ready to put your mirror up?" And I went, "Yeah." I just been waiting for somebody that is willing to do it. He's got a good story too. He has been the sound guy, sound installation for cars and homes in the 70s. People always put extra speakers in their cars. It was a very, very popular thing in the 70s to have speakers installed in your car, and also people installed speakers in their homes to get a multi-dimensional sound from speakers. It was a very popular thing. And let me just show you some of the people that he has installed for.
From my car, filming while I was working on his car.
So you can get, he didn't want pictures?
He hated pictures. He was okay a little bit later, but early on he didn't like photos.
Wow.
So, Smokey Robinson,
I love him.
who was just on that Motown special that they had back in April.
Oh.
Marlon Jackson, one of the Jackson 5. Mary Hart, she was on that show,
Yes.
Entertainment Tonight. She retired. Maurice White, Earth, Wind & Fire.
Wow.
There's Michael.
Oh, wow.
Early days, they were recording Thriller here.
Wow.
Nice guy. The press always gave him a bunch of static.
Yeah.
Just always watching MTV and seeing what everybody was doing.
Oh, yeah?
But, he was a perfectionist, so, naturally you'd expect that.
Yeah.
Did the first 2 Batman movies.
Yes,
And-
Michael Keaton.
And Michael McDonald, Doobie Brothers.
Yes.
Mickey Rourke.
Wow.
I see him now and then. He's...
Natalie Cole, look at you.
Yeah. And I knew all of them, O.J., Nicole, the guy that drove the Bronco, Al There was never a chance to get a photo, so they just mailed that to me. Stevie Wonder.
Wow, you met him?
Mm.
You did his car?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's Sly.
He already did Rocky. That was in the 70s.
Oh, okay.
This was when he was doing Rambo. And Tina Turner.
Oh, and the hits keep coming.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was kind of special. So, let's see. Now I'm going to do a shout out. Today's shout out goes to Carol Tassin. Carol, thank you. Thank you, thank you so much. Your comments mean so much to me. I appreciate you so much. I love you. I thank you for watching and taking the time to leave a comment. Carol Tassin, today's shout out is for you. And I'll see you next weekend, and maybe a little pop-up during the week. I'll have some little tips here and there that I just can't hold in. I need to let you know. Have a great week. I love you all. Stay beautiful.